Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Now I want to bring you not only how I slicked back my ponytail, but I also wanted to bring you how I created this eyeshadow look. So today I will give you a 2-in-1. If you want to know how I achieved this entire look, make sure to keep watching.
Do you see this tangled mess? I really did not want to deal with it, but I eventually detangled it, so let's begin. I started by using my rat tail comb and making a nice deep side part just like you see here. And now it's time to brush. I use a large soft bristle brush, I use a Denman brush, and then a smaller brush that has harder bristles. And all of this just helps remove all the tangles, really get my hair into that nice slick back look, and allow me to just grip my hair and brush it exactly how I want. So I'm just gonna let you watch. A success. So now I am going in with 1 pump of Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic and just layering that right on top, and I'm just using one of my brushes to really distribute that product and lay my hair down. Now it's time to work on this ponytail. I really wanted defined curls, so I am wetting it first, using my Denman brush to make sure that I remove all tangles and define my curls. And then I will be going in with Uncle Funky's Curly Magic to apply that throughout my curls and just make my curls pop. So to start off my eyes, I am going in with NYX number 1 HD Studio Concealer, applying that all over my lid, spreading it out with a small flat brush, and ultimately finishing it off by blending it out with my blending brush. Now this palette that I'm using is by BH Cosmetics and it's super old. I don't even think they have it anymore. But I'm using It's My Rayeraye number 6 blending brush from her 9-piece brush set to pack on that hot pink color on my lid. Now this palette again is just throwback and it's not as pigmented, so I really have to keep going over and over and over, packing on and laying on the color to get it as pigmented as I want. One eye done, the second one also. Now I'm going in with a lighter pink shade and just applying that over my crease and really blending both colors in together, making sure that it looks nice and seamless. And once that's all done, I will eventually go back in with the number 6 brush and apply that hot pink color back on my lid just to make sure that it pops. Moving on, I am going in with this baby blue color and applying that to my inner tear duct. Now you may be thinking, how is it that it's coming out so pigmented? Well, I applied a little bit of concealer before I added the blue and it worked. The color pops and I think it looks so beautiful and just so pretty. Moving on, I am going in with It's My Rayeraye second palette and using the shade Golden Girl with an off-brand brush, of course, and applying that to the inner corner. I didn't want to cover the blue up, but I wanted to have that hint of yellow in there as well. I'm also applying that yellow to my lower lash line, the outer corner, and I'm doing the same to the other side. Now I am going in with my number 8 brush and just applying that lighter pink I applied above my crease to my lower lash line. As you guys have already noticed, I applied some mascara. I applied NYX number 4 concealer to brighten up my under eyes, and I also applied Fenty Beauty's eyeliner. Overall, I really like how these colors came together. It is definitely a nice pop. It's definitely a summer vibe. Added some lip gloss, some accessories, changed some clothes. Let's see what this hair looks like. Ooh, yes. My hair is laid, my curls are popping, my scarf was a little tight. It's okay though. Anyways, if you like this look, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you like how I incorporated my makeup and my hair in one video, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. I will definitely do these more often. Summer look, brunch look, going out look. I like it. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will catch you next time. Bye.